Hi, I'm Kim Piazza. Welcome back to What's the Buzz in Western New York. DeGraff Memorial Hospital was established in 1914 to serve the healthcare needs of Buffalo's Northtown communities. Conveniently located on the border of Erie and Niagara counties, their team of skilled healthcare professionals are dedicated to providing quality, compassionate, personalized care for patients with a broad range of inpatient and outpatient health needs. We are here at DeGraff Memorial Hospital, and we're going to spend some time with my new friend, Phyllis Gettner.
How are you, Kim? Welcome to DeGraff.
Thank you so much. This is a wonderful facility, and it is your 100th anniversary.
Absolutely. We are so excited to be celebrating a centennial here in North Tonawanda with DeGraff's 100 years in existence.
And I know a big part of that 100 years in existence is due to some fantastic volunteers.
We are most proud to have our frontline people as our volunteers here, and they are the first face that you see when you walk into DeGraff, and it couldn't be better. They're wonderful.
And I understand you have someone that you'd like me to meet.
Yes, I would. I'd like you to meet our Senior Director of Operations, Hank Cole.
So good to meet you, Hank. And I understand that this hospital, DeGraff Memorial Hospital, is a great asset to this community.
Hi, Kim. Nice to meet you too. It truly is. We're celebrating our 100th anniversary this year. So we've been 100 years solid in the North Towns, serving Tonawanda, North Tonawanda, Wheatfield, all of the North Towns, Niagara County. We're a huge part of Kaleida Health. The hospital here itself has a small community type of feel to it. Some of the other hospitals are rather large, and you lose that warm feeling that we have here at DeGraff.
Well, Hank, I'm looking forward to the rest of my tour with Phyllis.
Oh, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day here and your tour with Phyllis, and I hope you really get to feel that warm community feeling that we just talked about.
Thank you, Hank. It's good to see you again, Phyllis.
Good to see you too, Kim.
And here we are in your newly renovated emergency room, complete with fireplace.
Yeah, I think we're the only one in Western New York that has a fireplace in our emergency room waiting room.
Well, it is just as cozy as Phil said it was.
Yeah. We pride ourselves on seeing our patients. Probably 90% of our patients are seen within 10 minutes out of our emergency room.
Oh, that's amazing.
It's wonderful. But, on the off time that we're very, very busy and there's a little bit of waiting, we try very hard to make sure that our patients are most comfortable while they're waiting. And this kind of gives a little bit of a calming effect, hopefully to help people feel a little bit more at home and comfortable while they're waiting to be seen.
And now there's a whole list of things you do here at DeGraff.
We do. We pride ourselves on being a full-service hospital. We are a small community hospital, but we provide the majority of the services that you will find in any hospital. And anything above and beyond that you would need, what we consider tertiary services or tertiary care, stroke care, neurological, beyond, children. We have our specialty hospitals already connected downtown. So we consider ourselves the gateway to the Kaleida Health Care network.
So whatever specialty services a patient may need when they come into your emergency room, you can get them there.
It's not a
problem.
But the biggest piece to that is that they're already connected. As soon as they're here, whatever tests they've had, whatever treatment they've had, that's already been communicated and beyond if they do need to go beyond our doors. But for the most part, we are very well equipped to handle just about anything that comes through our doors and do it very well.
Well, I have a list here of all of the things that you have. Of course, your emergency department, your diagnostic imaging, rehabilitation services, you have an infusion center, and it sounds like you have an amazing acute care center for the elderly.
Yes, and it's not a center, it's an environment. We see a very, very large population of older adults. So we've kind of tried to tailor our services to meet those needs, and so we have what we call acute care for the elderly, where our staff has a heightened awareness of the needs of older adults, and we can provide them with the best care. If they happen to have to be admitted, we have protocol in place that meets those specific needs. Just like you have specific needs for children when you're treating children, there are also specific needs for older adults. As we age, we have different needs from the general population.
And that all goes right back to what we said when we started, that this is really a great asset to our community.
It really is. We have immediate access for our community. They don't have to travel very far. That's the reason that it was established in 1914, because the closest care at that time was in downtown Buffalo, and LeGrand DeGraff recognized the need as this community started to build and started to grow, that they needed immediate access for health care.
Access in the North Towns as well?
Access in the North Towns, exactly.
Well, excellent. So DeGraff Memorial Hospital, 100 years.
100 years.
Going strong.
Yes, and DeGraff does it, and does it well.
Thank you, Phyllis.
You're welcome, Kim.
DeGraff is proud to have some of the very best patient satisfaction scores in all of Western New York and is dedicated to excellence through state-of-the-art technology, exceptional physicians and staff, ranking the hospital among the best in the delivery of overall patient satisfaction, from critical to long-term care, from orthopedics to rehabilitation. DeGraff provides a full spectrum of services. As part of Kaleida Health, the largest healthcare provider in Western New York, DeGraff has established an identity with a difference. DeGraff is located at 445 Tremont Street in North Tonawanda. Their number is 716-694-4500. Find out more online at kaleidahealth.org/DeGraff/. Coming up next, a visit to the Riviera Theater.